Hey guys, in this video we will be seeing how to install Docker in your system. So all you have to do is first remove if there is any Docker installation on the system by using the remove command. So this command will remove any installation of Docker on your system. Once the remove command is run, you can re-add a Docker with the install option. And this should install your Docker freshly. Okay, so if any residue or previous installation is there, it will remove it, and you can run the install command and it will reinstall Docker completely altogether. Now, this is how you can do that, and I've also given you the instruction link for installing Docker on your system, so you can use the code and get that installed on your system. Thank you again for watching this video with patience. And I want to check the service after it gets installed. Okay, so now you just need to do a service Docker start. So this should get your Docker service started, and you should see the Docker service running with Docker over here. So this is the Docker service, and the Docker service is running as a root user. That's completely okay. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.